Salamat dahol, mabuhay!
So today guys, I just want to share with you a hidden gem that I recently discovered here in the Philippines. So if you've ever dreamed of wearing a hanbok like in Korea or a kimono just like in Japan, you'll be happy to know that you can enjoy a similar cultural experience here in Manila as well. So at Traje de Intramuros, you can rent beautiful Filipino historical costumes, and if you want the full experience, they can also help you with your hairstyle and makeup. So what I love most was how kind and welcoming the staff were. Like they helped us choose our outfits, explain the history and details of our costumes. They guided us through the process and made us feel comfortable from start to finish. So I think it's really wonderful. There's a place like this where you can appreciate and learn more about Filipino culture and history in such fun and memorable way. So if you're planning to visit Intramuros in Manila someday, guys, I highly recommend checking them out. Traje de Intramuros. It's a really great experience for photos, family outings, making memories, or simply trying something new, just like me. So, from Madagascar to the Philippines, thank you to the amazing team for making our visit so enjoyable. We will see you again and we will visit you again soon. Traje de Intramuros. Bye!